Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Growing with Gary. Today, I would like to discuss the timeless tradition of making Christmas wreaths. Not only will I show you step by step how to create one, but we'll also talk about where this idea came from and what wreaths represent. So, let's get started. Did you know that the tradition of wreath making goes back centuries? Wreaths were originally used by ancient cultures to symbolize victory and eternal life. Later, Christians adopted the tradition, and Christmas wreaths came to represent the unending circle of God's love and the hope brought by Christ's birth. Pretty amazing, right? Today, wreaths are a beautiful way to welcome guests and add a festive touch to your home. And the best part? You can make one yourself. Before we start, let's talk materials. Here's what you'll need. For the base, you will need a wire wreath frame, grapevine wreath, or foam base. The greenery or the body of the wreath can be fresh or faux branches like fir, pine, spruce, cedar, or eucalyptus. Mixing types adds texture. Don't forget your tools, which include floral wire, hot glue gun, pruning shears, and scissors. Additional decorations can be pine cones, holly, ornaments, candy canes, berries, ribbons, bows, bells, or lights. Feel free to get creative. For example, you can use dried flowers or even fabric scraps if you want a unique look. Now, let's make our wreath in just a few easy steps. If you're using a wire frame, attach floral wire to one section to anchor it. This wire will hold your greenery in place as you work around the frame. For foam bases, you can attach greenery with hot glue or floral pins. Trim your branches into smaller pieces, about 6 to 8 inches long. Take a piece of greenery, lay it against the frame, and secure it with floral wire. Overlap each piece slightly to cover the frame and create a lush look. Continue this process, working in one direction around the frame until it's completely covered. Don't worry about perfection. A natural look is part of the charm. Once your greenery is in place, it's time to personalize your wreath. Use hot glue or floral wire to add pine cones for a rustic touch, holly and berries for a pop of red, ornaments or bulbs for a bit of sparkle, candy canes for a whimsical vibe, and ribbons or bows to tie it all together. Check for any gaps or loose pieces and trim any greenery that sticks out awkwardly. If you're using fresh greenery, mist your wreath with water to keep it fresh longer. Add a loop of ribbon or floral wire at the back for hanging. Want to take your wreath to the next level? Here are some ideas. Add fairy lights for a magical glow. Use themed decorations like snowflakes for a winter wonderland look or gold accents for a glamorous style. Incorporate dried oranges or cinnamon sticks for a natural fragrant touch. The possibilities are endless, and the result will be uniquely yours. And there you have it. A beautiful handmade Christmas wreath to brighten up your home and spread holiday cheer. I'd love to see what you create, so share your photos in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more holiday DIYs. Thanks for watching, and have a very Merry Christmas.